Hi, good evening, everyone. Today, as a team of four members, we are presenting the global operations presentation. So, moving on to the next slide, I am going to take an introduction part. So now I'm going to tell about the introduction. Uh, in this slide, I briefly introduce the purpose of group presentation. Firstly, I want to share that the purpose of lean output to maximize value while minimizing waste through efficiency and ongoing improvement, like due to increased rivalry, rising consumer expectations, and the need for operational consistency. Globalization has turned the adoption of lean practices in several service industries. The influence of globalization on the implementation of lean production in the multinational service company, Starbucks is critically assessed in the assignment. Like Starbucks uses lean management to increase productivity, reduce waste, and improve customer satisfaction through standardized procedures and ongoing development. The company operates in more than 80 countries and has 35,711 stores. Therefore, Starbucks has been selected for its global reach, customer focused service approach, and steadfast dedication to sustainability and operational excellence through lean driven efficiency initiatives. Now, moving on to the next slide, I'm going to tell about historical perspective of lean production. In these slides, we have given a four bullet points. In those four bullet points, I'm going to explain. Like in this slide, I would like to present the historical perspective of lean production. In this regard, I would like to share that in the 1950s, lean production emerged as a manufacturing phenomena in Japan, especially at Toyota under Taiichi Sono's direction. As part of the Toyota's production system, Lean's main goal was to create an effective value-based production system by identifying and eliminating waste, eliminating waste, inconsistency, and overburden. Yeah, Toyota developed concepts such as just-in-time production and Kanban systems in response to issues with inventory and production flow in Japan's resource-hungry post-war economy, which demanded maximum output from limited sources. The book Lean Thinking, Banish Waste and Create Wealth in Your Corporation by North American authors James Womack and Daniel Jones, which outlined five principles: value stream mapping, flow, pull, and continuous improvement, made me lean more widely known in the 1990s. In these sectors, such as healthcare, logistics, and food services, lean thinking has emerged as the foundation for operational excellence. Now, moving to the next slide, I'm going to tell about lean production in the food and beverage service sector. In this slide, there are several studies explore how the food and beverage industry adopted lean practices in this regard. Uh, Gadsist et al. Claim that lean practices in Polish hotels, restaurants, and catering have led to reductions in costs and waste. In this regard, in the USA, a strategy known as sustainable management of food aims to reduce food waste and its impacts throughout its life cycle. On the other hand, Ramlan et al. Argued that several food and beverages companies focused on lean services by the adoption of value stream mapping, which significantly reduces non-value time. However, Indravati et al. Acknowledged that in the fast food industry, integrating Six Sigma and TRIZ methods helps minimize service delays. Collectively, these studies how that lean methods boost productivity, reduce waste, and increase sustainability in the food and beverage service industry, promoting operational excellence and continuous improvement worldwide. Now, moving on to the next slide, my teammate Nitish will take over the next slides.
Hi
Hi
team.
team. Like in the previous slides, me and my team provided a brief overview of how lean management is implemented in the food and beverage service sector. In this case, I will discuss how my chosen business, Starbucks, and adopted lean production. Starbucks used lean manufacturing and practiced by reorganizing in the stores and operation to eliminate and non-value adding actions. For example, manufacturing time was reduced from almost a minute to around 16 seconds. By moving syrups closest to the drink stations and also the wiped cream and also the drizzle to the front counter in the order prevent waste and also the stockouts. The strategy also included regular brewing the schedules. Now moving to the next slide. Here I will explore the impact of lean management on the operation and also the productivity. This slide shows to reduce waste, shorten wait time, and also the boost productivity in its crowded location. Starbucks first implemented lean principles in its operation in past 2019. In addition, it improved program efficiency and also the speed across 11,000 US stores by streamlining the procedure and also the eliminating the blending and also the waiting and also unnecessary motions. Coming to the Starbucks again, streamlined bar and operations, increased productivity, engaged staff, improved customers and happiness, and also the cut expenses throughout the business expansions. Now I'm moving to the next slide. These slides, in this slide, I will discuss the technological impact of lean production. Now, on Starbucks operation, by focusing on waste and influences across operation Starbucks, implementation of lean management principles has yielded noticeable and also environmental benefits. For instance, lean business practice at Starbucks, such as reducing the expenses of inventory and also the streaming progresses, help lower resources and also the ambitions and also the additionally the corporation has set ambitions of 2030 goals, including a 50% decrease in its carbon water and also the waste sent to landfill footprints, scopes 1, 2 and also the 3 compared to its 2019 baseline. Now, next slides will be hand over to the Charan. He will take care of the next slides.
Yeah, my name is Charan Kumar, and from here I'm going to present the PPT. In this slide, I'm going to tell about the globalization and its impact on Starbucks. Starbucks' use of lean production techniques in the service industry has been both made easier and more difficult by its global development. Positively, yeah, Starbucks was able to standardize producers, expand its lean operations across markets and promote operational uniformly and globalization. However, implementing lean across all locations may result in rigidity or a mismatch with local preferences due to the diversity of cultural, legislative, and market settings. For instance, standardized bar producers may conflict with culturally distinct services techniques. All things considered, globalization increased the reach of Starbucks lean methods, but also made it more challenging to adapt them to diverse regions, necessarily a hybrid global local strategy. And moving to the next slide. In this slide, I'm going to tell about best strategy for lean implementation. In this, there is three main parts. Engage, but at the store level, standardize workflows while allowing local flexibility. McDonald's emphasizes standardizing its operation while adapting menus and services locally, in McDonald's 2024. In order to explain the best strategy for Starbucks, it may reduce waste, storage costs, and spoilage by implementing JIT, which ensures that goods such as milk, coffee, beans, and such as and are stocked in line with real-time demand. This supports Starbucks emphasizes on sustainability and operational efficiency, enabling quicker service, fresher products, and improved environmental control. Critical objectives of lean manufacturing in a service setting In addition, the store level involves engaging with baristas to identify waste and creating good habits for continuous improvement. Like Starbucks should leverage best practices in standardizing key workflows for intense building drink recipes and preparing stations while allowing flexibility at the local level without undermining the customer experience. In this regard, to ensure consistency and quality, McDonald's maintains standardized core operations across all locations, including meal preparation techniques, hygienic procedures, and service speed. However, it also offers regional food items and modifies menu and service approaches locally. And moving to the next slide. In this slide, I'm going to tell about possible challenges of lean at Starbucks. Any new strategy may be opposed by Starbucks employees, especially baristas, who feel it will restrict their capacity to be innovative and deliver excellent service. Variability in presentation intended to safety. Specific client demands might result from over standardization. During the lean revolution, operation conflict and complexity are likely to increase due to the conflicting demands of maintaining consist equality standard across multiple international markets and meeting services speed targets and organizational sustainability rather than truly environmentally sustainable practices. And from here, my friend Mahesh will take care. Thank you.
Hi, myself Mahesh. Hi, myself Mahesh. Remaining slides, my French is tell. No, remaining slides I will tell you. Here, here the slide is possible challenges of lean and here the slide mitigation strategies of leading implementation issues. Here, now, in order to provide a mitigation strategy that helps in addressing the possible hazards, Starbucks should involve baristas early in the edition process to secure the support and reduce opposition, thereby preventing lane implementation challenges. Transitions might be made either by offering training on the advantages of lean. For example, Domino's Pizza trains its staffs on a lean principle to reduce the waste, speed of orders preparation, and maintain delivery efficiency throughout its global networks of restaurants, flexibility at the store level, sustained creativity and communication involvement. Now, finally, elegant operation efficiency object with sustainability innovative performing can be balanced across the region while maintaining a consistent level of service quality. Now we can move the next slide. Here the conclusion. Now we can deeply discuss about this slide. Here, Starbucks has demonstration how a global service provider can effectively use lean manufacturing to strike a balance between productivity, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. Starbucks uses strategies including just-in-time, GIT, standardization with flexibility, and the employment power to reduce the waste and exchanges. Operation effectiveness, nothing less. Management faces difficult difficulties because of culture, diversity, and Starbucks staff extend to Department of the Sustainability methods. In the end of Starbucks, Lean journey shows that there is a chance to build a successful, long-lasting company dedicated to operation excellence with both domestic and global. Now we can change the slide. Here are the references we use this project, and we get help from these references from different sites and different books. Here we collect main references to help this project. Okay, next slide. Thank you for this given opportunity. Me and my friends is dedicated this project. Thank you.